Imagine waking up every morning knowing your body is fully protected. No constant colds, no sluggish mornings, no weak immune system. But here's the catch. Most people are starting their day with foods and drinks that actually weaken their immunity. That's why today, I'm revealing a simple, powerful green juice you can drink every morning to supercharge your immune system and keep sickness far away. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share not only the recipe, but also a secret bonus ingredient that turns this juice from good to life-changing. Let's be honest. In today's world, your immune system is under constant attack. Pollution, processed food, stress, lack of sleep. No wonder people get tired easily, catch colds, or feel weak. But the good news is you don't need expensive supplements or medicines to protect yourself. Nature has already given us the solution, and it comes in the form of fresh, healing ingredients blended into one glass. If you drink this every morning, here's what you'll notice. More natural energy without coffee. Imagine waking up and powering through your morning without that crash you usually get after coffee. This juice gives you a steady, natural energy because the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants feed your cells directly. No jitters, no afternoon slump, just clean, lasting energy. Less frequent colds and infections. Think about how often you get the sniffles, that annoying sore throat, or just feeling off. That's your immune system waving a white flag. By drinking this juice, you're flooding your body with vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural anti-inflammatories that make your white blood cells stronger. It's like upgrading your body's defense system so it can fight off viruses before they even take hold. Better digestion and gut health. Did you know that 70% of your immune system lives in your gut? This juice is rich in fiber, enzymes, and hydration that nourish your gut bacteria and help your digestion run smoothly. That means less bloating, faster metabolism, and a gut that actually protects you instead of draining your energy. A glow in your skin and quicker recovery when you're run down. Strong immunity isn't just about fighting colds. It also shows on your skin. When your body is less inflamed and more nourished, your skin clears up, your eyes look brighter, and your natural glow comes back. And whenever you're stressed, overworked, or even sleep-deprived, your recovery will be faster because your immune system is already primed and ready. Ingredient breakdown: why this juice works. 1. Spinach or kale, the green shield. These leafy greens are like nature's armor for your body. They're packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, and plant compounds called flavonoids that strengthen your immune defenses. Spinach and kale feed your cells with iron, calcium, and antioxidants that fight free radicals, the little troublemakers that make you sick and age your body faster. Drinking them in the morning means your immune system starts the day fully charged, ready to protect you. 2. Lemon, the immunity charger. One squeeze of lemon packs more vitamin C than many supplements. Vitamin C is your immune system's favorite fuel. It boosts your white blood cells, which are like the soldiers that hunt down viruses and bacteria. Lemon also helps your body stay alkaline, reducing inflammation and giving you fresher breath and clearer skin. It's that zingy kick that wakes you up and gets your defenses up instantly. 3. Ginger, the natural antibiotic. Ginger has been used for centuries as medicine, and for good reason. It fights bacteria, viruses, and inflammation while also warming your body and improving circulation. Have you ever noticed how a cup of ginger tea clears your throat and sinuses? That's the power ginger brings to your immune system. In this juice, it doesn't just add spice. It acts like a natural shield against infections. 4. Apple, the sweet protector green apple. 4. Apple, the sweet protector. Most people think apples are just a sweet fruit, but they're actually loaded with quercetin and soluble fiber, both of which are immunity boosters. Apples feed your gut bacteria with prebiotics, the good bacteria that control so much of your health. A healthy gut equals stronger immunity, faster digestion, and even better mood. Plus, the natural sweetness makes this juice delicious without adding sugar. 5. Cucumber, the hydration hero. Your immune system can't work properly if your body is dehydrated. Cucumber is over 90% water, making it the ultimate hydrator. It also flushes out toxins and keeps your body cool and refreshed. Think of cucumber as your body's morning reset button, washing away waste and giving your cells the hydration they need to fight for you. Secret bonus ingredient: turmeric, the golden healer. This is where the magic happens. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Just a small pinch in your juice can reduce hidden inflammation, protect your cells from disease, and supercharge your body's healing power. When you combine turmeric with ginger and lemon, you get a trio of ingredients that fight infections like superheroes working together. How to make it and drink for maximum effect. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. 1 cup of fresh spinach or kale washed. 1 cucumber, sliced with skin on if organic. 1 apple, chopped, core removed. 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger, peeled. Juice of half a lemon. A small pinch of turmeric powder or a thin slice of fresh turmeric root. 1 cup of clean water. Step 2. Blend it all together. Place everything in a blender and blend until smooth. You'll notice the vibrant green color. It's literally liquid nutrition. If you prefer a lighter drink, strain it with a fine mesh or cheesecloth. If you want all the fiber, which is great for digestion, drink it as it is. Step 3. Best time to drink it. Drink this juice first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows your body to absorb the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants quickly without competing with heavy foods. Think of it as your body's morning shield, preparing you for the day. Step 4. Frequency. For best results, drink at least 4 to 5 times per week. Consistency is key. Your immune system thrives on daily nourishment, not occasional boosts. Step 5. Pro tips for maximum effect. Add a pinch of black pepper with the turmeric. It activates curcumin, making turmeric 2,000% more powerful. Always use fresh ingredients if possible. Fresh greens and ginger have stronger active compounds than processed powders. If you want an extra refreshing twist, add a few mint leaves. They calm digestion and add a cooling taste.
The payoff: when you drink this consistently, you're not just filling your stomach. You're reprogramming your body for health. Your cells wake up, your immune defenses sharpen, and your energy lasts all day. So tomorrow morning, instead of coffee or processed breakfast, try this immune-boosting green juice. Your body will thank you. And don't stop here, because in my next video, I'm revealing another powerful morning drink that not only boosts immunity, but also helps burn fat naturally. You don't want to miss it, so hit subscribe and turn on notifications now.